Starting your own online business has never been more promising. In this video, I'll share 5 straightforward business ideas with significant potential for this year. I personally manage 2 of these businesses and generate over $100,000 in monthly profit from them. However, it's crucial to understand that none of these businesses guarantee instant wealth. Launching any business comes with its challenges and takes time to yield results. But I can assure you that the effort invested is worth it, as any of these ideas can transform your life if you pick one and stay committed. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Business number 1. Local marketing agency. Many local businesses are facing difficulties in achieving the same level of success they once had. This creates an ideal opportunity for you to establish a local marketing agency. Your role would revolve around assisting local businesses in acquiring more customers through digital advertising platforms such as Facebook, Google, or TikTok. To excel in this field, it's crucial to master 2 essential skills: marketing and sales. You can learn the ropes of marketing through the abundance of online tutorials available. However, the most effective way to gain expertise is by gaining hands-on experience. Consider offering your services for free to a local business to acquire valuable skills. When it comes to sales, building confidence will take some time and practice. Having a track record of successful marketing results can significantly bolster your sales efforts. These skills are invaluable and can pave the way to financial stability. Business number 2. Content creation. Content creation is an exciting opportunity with the potential to provide long-term financial security. Platforms like YouTube witness over 1 billion hours of content consumption daily, and this figure continues to rise. Becoming a content creator, irrespective of your age, is a lucrative avenue. Select a niche that genuinely interests you because creating videos can be demanding. Your passion will be your driving force through the journey. Here are the key steps. Niche selection. Opt for a specific niche that resonates with your interests. Focusing on a niche can be more effective than creating broad content. Study trends. Explore trending topics within your chosen niche on platforms such as YouTube and TikTok. Identify viral themes and adapt them to your unique style. Craft high-quality content. Invest time in producing top-notch videos. The quality of your content will be the determining factor in your success. Engage with your audience. Foster engagement with your viewers by responding to comments and building a loyal community. Remember that once you've built an audience, you can monetize your channel through brand partnerships, affiliate links, and even launching your own products. Business number 3. Social media content creation for brands. Similar to content creation, you can offer services in social media content creation for brands. This is a viable choice if you prefer working behind the scenes. Here's how to get started. Platform selection. Specialize in creating content for a particular social media platform. TikTok, for instance, offers significant growth potential. Master viral content creation. Dive into the understanding of what makes content go viral on your chosen platform. Grasp the algorithms and trends. Assemble a portfolio. Create a portfolio showcasing your successful content campaigns or collaborations to demonstrate your expertise. Market your services. Utilize platforms like Upwork to identify potential clients. Reach out to brands and propose your content creation services. With a few reputable clients paying you monthly, you can establish a reliable full-time income. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Business number 4. E-commerce. E-commerce remains one of the most lucrative opportunities, with TikTok's expansion creating fresh possibilities. Whether you opt for dropshipping or create your own product, the potential for success is substantial. If you're on a budget, initiating your journey with dropshipping is a prudent choice. Here's your roadmap. Educational foundation. Dedicate time to understand the dynamics of e-commerce. Explore YouTube videos and engage with relevant Discord communities. Product exploration. Search for products with the potential to go viral on platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Identify opportunities to enter the market. Establish your store. Create an e-commerce store and focus on attracting customers through either free traffic methods or running targeted ads. Scale your venture. As you accumulate experience, contemplate expansion by hiring additional support and scaling up your operations. For a comprehensive toolkit and resources to kickstart your e-commerce venture, you can explore what's available in our app. Business number 5. Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency presents substantial opportunities and has ushered in numerous millionaires in recent times. Although it's advantageous to enter this space with a steady income, the potential for wealth creation is substantial. Here's what you should consider. Cryptocurrency education. Dive into blockchain technology, acquaint yourself with various cryptocurrencies, and formulate investment strategies. Craft your strategy. Based on your research, develop a personalized investment strategy. Avoid making impulsive investments without a well-thought-out plan. Stay informed. Stay abreast of cryptocurrency market developments and trends by staying engaged with news sources. Prudent investment. Start with funds you can afford to invest and exercise caution, steering clear of high-risk speculative investments. The cryptocurrency arena is evolving rapidly, offering myriad opportunities. Take your time to devise a sound strategy and proceed with judiciousness. In summary, these 5 business ideas harbor significant potential for success in 2023. Keep in mind that achieving success in any business venture requires diligence, dedication, and an ongoing commitment to learning. Select the one that aligns with your interests and skills, and don't hesitate to embark on the path to financial growth. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!